In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice yell using Elevenlabs, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. So let's jump right in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First things first, head over to Elevenlabs. Whether you're already familiar with the platform or you're visiting it for the first time, you'll find it very user-friendly and straightforward, which is fantastic for what we're about to do. Once you're on the Elevenlabs website, you'll need to decide between two options, Voice Lab or Speech Synthesis. Both options are available to help you create the desired effect in your audio. Decide which feature best suits your needs. VoiceLab might offer more custom options, whereas speech synthesis could be simpler if you're just dipping your toes in. The key to making your audio sound like a yell is to adjust the settings accordingly. You'll want to set the stability level between 10 and 30. This range is crucial because it controls how the voice behaves and reacts to input. A lower stability can introduce more variation in dynamics and tone, which helps simulate a yell more convincingly. Next, let's focus on another important setting, keeping the clarity plus similarity at a moderate level. This balance ensures the generated speech remains natural and comprehensible, while still allowing for the expressiveness required to convey shouting or yelling. Too much clarity can make it sound mechanical, but too little might make it hard to distinguish words. Striking this balance can make a significant difference in your output. Now, moving on to what the script says, this part is incredibly important. Use strong text cues in your script. This means adding exclamation marks or using capital letters to imply raised voices or high intensity. These textual cues are signals that enhance the emotional intensity of the voice, telling the system this part needs to be loud or emotional. Once you're satisfied with your text and settings, click the Generate button to listen to your creation. This is where you'll be able to hear firsthand how a voice yells using Elevenlabs. It's best to have a set of headphones handy to catch every nuance in your newly produced audio. If, after listening, you find that the yell still sounds too calm or not as expressive as you wanted, try lowering the stability a bit more. Reducing the stability can sometimes add more emotion and fluctuation to the voice, giving it that extra flair of a yell. And that's it. That's how easily you can create a yelling voice using Elevenlabs. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy voice creating.